Good morning, World History Cardinals. It is February 4th, and I am coming to you this morning with Lesson 4 for Unit 2. This is the second consecutive day of studying about Rome and the 4 reasons as to why this empire lost their power. Make sure that today you see on the home page that we have tutorial today and a retest today. Okay? Make sure that you read the essential question, how do the greatest of empires fall? And make sure that you write down the goal statement for today, which says, I will be analyzing documents to determine the political, economic, and military reasons for the fall of Rome. We're going to click the link. And the link, the warm up, shows you a Roman Empire map. And it says, look at this physical map of the Roman Empire at its height. What are possible problems with a large empire at this time? So look at everything that shows you the Roman Empire. Write your response underneath. Click next. And then here is your first activity that just introduces document analysis. It tells you that you're going to be using documents A, C, D, and F and analyzing them on the DBQ online platform. Use Clever to get to the project and click one of the primary reasons Rome fell. If you forgot how to do this, you can watch the video at Unit 1, Lesson 5, but I'll show you one more time. Go up to your NC Ed Cloud, click the big blue C, and then click DBQ Online. If you can't click it with the icon, just do a search for DBQ, and before you can even finish putting project, it'll pop up. Click that, and then go to your class. If you have forgotten the codes, remember that's on the video for Unit 1, Lesson 5. And you're going to be looking for the article that says, what were the primary reasons for the fall of Rome? And you're going to click View. The cool thing about the primary reasons for the fall of Rome is they open up with the cover of a painting. And the painting is entitled The Destruction of Empire. And this was painted by American artist Thomas Cole in 1836. Before you even get into the reading or learning about Rome, yesterday you had to do the hashtag summaries. Yesterday you had to do the hashtag summaries of the background essay. Today you should look at this picture and really try to identify with all of the events that are happening in this one painting. If you see it, you have this big statue and poster. You see that the bridge is broken. The skies are gray and murky. You see that there are pictures that stand out completely. For example, every time I look at this painting, this one picture right here of this lady, and I know if I bring it up, the pixels are going to be all messed up, but it looks as if he's pushing her. But then you have to stop and think. Her hands are going in the opposite direction. So it's not that he's pushing her. It's almost like she's running away. And he's still trying to grab her before she fell. So that makes you think that there's something going on here. They're being killed or invaded and things are on fire. And then that's going to make you go back to prior knowledge, which is like an allegory where you discover that yes, they did say the Roman Empire burned and as it fell. But that's the backstory. You can read that for yourself, but just know that we're going to do documents A and documents C and D and then F for a grade. But I want you to read all 6 of them, but the only ones that you're going to turn in for a grade is A, C, D, and F. Okay, so I like to hit cover, and I'm just going directly to document A. And I told the kids last semester that they can take notes, but make sure you answer the questions and hit export and export the work, just like we did before. And then go to the next one. And like I said, we're not going to do document B. You do not have to do document B, but you should read it. And then go to the next one. And we are going to do document C. There's another map. So really pay attention to all the people who invaded Rome. The Angles, the Saxons, the Huns, the Vandals, the Ostrogoths, the Visigoths. Those people are what we know now. They're like Germanic tribes, okay? Study those. You need to memorize those. Then answer these questions. And you are also going to be doing document D, so really read this about the Huns. And this is from an excerpt from Ammianus Marcellinus. So read that and then answer those questions. And then you're going to go to document E. And again, you can read it, but we're not going to answer these. You do not have to do document E, but then you will do document F, who basically gives a final reason as to why Rome fell. So make sure you answer those. Then when you're done and you've exported all 4 of the pages, then you're going to come back to the DBQ. You're going to come back to Canvas. You're going to click Next. And then this page right here won't be published for you because we're not going to do it. But now you're on your pretty much your exit ticket. Those document analysis sheets that you just did, you're going to submit them right here and turn them in for a grade. And then you are done. You are done. All right. So I'm going to stop right there, and then I will do a second one on Black History Month in a few minutes. All right. Hopefully this helped you out. Talk to you later.